Yan guys, another, ano naman, nagkamali na naman, nalagyan na naman dun sa animal box. O diba? Ayan yung ano. Nagkakamali na naman sila sa address. Ay, naku. Kinapoy ako sa ano, hagdan. Parang kailangan ko talaga mag-walking guys. Kaya natatamad ako, nalulungkot, nahuhumsik.
Leading us.
Yes, come on guys, restore me from the.
So is it going to take you a year to get the confidence?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh
my god guys,
what can I do to help you with your confidence?
I'm fighting myself, you know. I'm fighting myself from homesick.
Oh gosh, you're going to end up going home on me, aren't you, before we get done? I can see it now. You know it?
Hi guys, so ngayon nandito kami sa Costco dahil
You didn't give me a credit card, did you?
no.
No, you didn't give me. Okay, good. Well,
Your card?
yeah, the front end.
No.
You give me the, when you go to the toilet.
Hey guys, dito kami sa Costco na naman. O diba?
Shopping again.
Shopping again. May bibili lang kami mga ano, mga things. Busog na busog ako. Kumain kami sa ano, McDonald's. Grabe. Si Daddy. O diba? Kalakad naman siya. Diba? Si Daddy. I'm looking for Michael. Where are you? Si Daddy. Pharmacy. Galing akong ano, toilet, tapos sabi ni Daddy papunta daw siya ng pharmacy. Until now wala pa rin siya. Hey, where are you? Am I lost? Ang ganda ng mga ano, plants. Oh, gonna buy this one. Where's Michael? Ang ganda ng mga plants guys. Kinahanap ni Daddy, gumamela. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Looking for pharmacy. I don't know. Where are you? Nawawala ako guys. Nasaan ka si Daddy? Ayan, si Daddy nandun pala. Saan ka sa pharmacy? Ting ting ting. Excuse me. Ayan, si Daddy. Ayan, ito yung ginagamit namin para makatulog. Melatonin, and then of course the ibuprofen, and then yung liquid turmeric. So iniinom namin ito para anti-inflammatory. So diba? Dito kami sa Costco. Ayan, nawala na naman ako. Ay na ba si Daddy? So hinanap natin si Daddy. Kasi pumunta ulit ako sa ano after namin sa pharmacy. Nahanap ko siya. Tapos sabi niya, nasa wall daw siya. Saan banda? Ayan. Andito na si Daddy. I'm lost,
You
Daddy.
lost somebody.
Yan, wala tayong ano, toothbrush. Baka tayo. Tapos nagano si Daddy ng toothpaste first. It's whitening. Ayan no, $79.99. Tapos bibili kami nito. O diba?
5 settings, 2-minute timer. It beeps if you...
Ayan, so ignorante tayo dito. Bumili kami tig-isa. Diba? Ayan, inabot na naman tayo ng ano, portion. So nakatatlong beses na ako pumunta sa CR guys. Dahil ang lamig. Yan ang problema sa akin. Kapag nasa malamig na lugar, super ang bakla. Ayun si daddy. Ayun si daddy.
Been having a lot of thunderstorms. I officially started my dissertation today, and Liberty gave me half my tuition. It'd be done with that, Kenny. And I didn't know the guy that that's going to head my committee, but I like him a lot. He's a good guy.
Ayan, so may free taste ang ano, ang cost ko. Eggo waffle. Ha? It's pancake or waffle?
Waffle.
Eggo waffle. I think it's frozen.
Huh?
Frozen.
Frozen, yeah. And you just get them and put them in the toaster.
Ayan, magbayad na kami. Banana, potato, tapos buya. Ayan. Ayan, so uwi na kami. Tapos na kami nakakapag so hot. Grocery. Thank you. Ayan guys, dito kami sa malapit na kami sa this is Little River, right?
Yeah, look at the traffic.
Yeah. Oh.
That's people coming into the beach.
So, sa South Carolina kami lagi nag-grocery. I think this coming Saturday we will have what if we will go to Greenville on Saturday? Come back Sunday.
You can also go to Jacksonville
Yes.
and see a Filipino.
Yeah.
Which would you like better?
Jacksonville. And check the produce. See the cars there. The big. Oh, what is that? A swimming pool.
Yeah, swimming pools. There's a bunch of them. Plastic ones.
Ayan, so bumaba ulit kami dito, galing kaming ano Walmart, bumili si daddy ng bibili kami dito sa ano produce cantaloupe. Ayan,
Half and half.
yes, tira mo na yung aming natirang pera, $8 na lang. So nagtitipid-tipid mo lang kami hanggang next year. Ayan, dito na kami, malapit na kami sa bahay. O diba? Super grocery, bili ng mga fruits, tapos kung anong anik-anik. Maybe we spend $400, right? Yeah. We spent $500. $400 pa. So, I think I'm gonna change my accent. Mag-Bisaya naman lang po. Mag-Bisaya na lang ako mag-English. So, parang kuan. Diba? So, today is my 62nd day here in America. O, diba?
You've been here 62 days?
Yeah, 62
Wow.
days. 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the rest of 31 except February. Oh, there's a raccoon. So, yung bahay namin, ano siya, boundary ng south end of South Carolina. So dito na kami sa aming Rock Creek. Ayan, golf. Diba? Ayan, ako na muna magdadrive papasok. Parang bed ko kasi. Ayan, so tayo pala nag-drive papasok ng bahay. O diba, may daan. So I'm gonna take this ball. Are you carry? Ayan, meron tayong dala-dala. Ang bigat guys. Kaloka. Ang daming pagkain. Sino bang hindi tataba nito? Diba nga naubos yung nabiling dati. May pagkain ulit. Thanks to Allah sa blessings na binigay. Diba? Ayan o. Kami sa ano, elevator. Ayan, so we have our electric toothbrush. So yung kay Daddy black. And then mine is white. I don't know how to use that one. We should have a mix, you know. White for the handle and black for the brush. You want?
No, they get like that. We have a black and white. So. Yeah,
O diba? Try natin yan mamaya guys. Magtututbrush tayo na ano, parang nasa ano lang tayo. Dental clinic.